What's headed to Sin City in the near future, and what's leaving Las Vegas? We've got updates all up and down the Strip, and that's what we're talking about this week in gambling. Something new is always under construction in Las Vegas, and this week we're talking about a brand new hotel right beside the Venetian, as well as a major Bellagio expansion right next to the Strip. Now, Bellagio just wrapped up over $100 million in renovation work this past January. They completely redesigned over 800 of their rooms and 100 suites in the spa tower with a more sophisticated Italian style, custom furnishings, and new artwork. Now there are plans for a major expansion with new restaurants and shops. The location of this expansion is at the south end of the property, running from the Strip to the resort right along their water feature, specifically the area we've outlined here in yellow. This $80 million project will steer foot traffic through the new retail space with up to 5 restaurants. But the highlight of this project will be the 10,000 square foot venue on top of the shops with amazing views overlooking the fountain show. Construction probably won't begin until after the heat of summer and possibly even after the madness of the Formula One race this fall. Meanwhile, near the Venetian, rumors are circulating that their abandoned Marco Polo hotel tower will soon become a hotel of its own, possibly managed by the 𝗏𝗏 Group. The project would be similar to the situation you see with Nobu at Caesar's Palace and the Four Seasons down at Mandalay Bay. And back at the Bellagio, one lucky guest just won a $1 million jackpot over the weekend playing the Shark Week Feeding Frenzy wide area progressive game. But that's just one of many exciting headlines out of Las Vegas this week. Casino City has that story, as well as their top 10 new online slots for July, and news from the World Series of Poker. You can keep up with all these stories when you visit online.casinocity.com or sign up for their weekly newsletter. While we wait for the new additions to arrive at Bellagio and Venetian, Las Vegas is also losing another major resort. Yes, we know the Tropicana was shut down several months ago, but on July 17th, we're losing the Mirage. If you're in Las Vegas between now and the 17th, it's probably going to be your last opportunity to see the beloved Mirage volcano attraction before Hard Rock so heartlessly rips it out to put up their guitar-shaped hotel. I'll let you guys decide for yourselves whether that's a good thing or not. And speaking of July 17th, that's also the day that Caesar's Palace is shutting down their poker room. But don't worry, it's only temporary. You see, Caesar's is redesigning their high-limit slots lounge, and while they do, they need a place to put all those games. That place just happens to be the poker room. Again, I'll let you decide whether that's a good thing or not. And finally this week, the Lexi Las Vegas is up for sale. Again. And if you've never heard of the Lexi, well, that's probably one of the reasons they're having to sell. Located just off the north end of the Strip, the Lexi is, or was, the first ever cannabis-friendly hotel in Las Vegas. Last year, we contacted the Lexi about doing a video feature on their property, absolutely free. You know, just to get them some more publicity and to get us some good material. But after several emails back and forth, they just stopped responding. Now, I'm not going to stand here and say that's the reason they're having to sell the hotel right now, but I mean, hey, come on. It's all right there.
I'm picking out a thermos for you.